Good afternoon, everyone. Steve Georgia here from Allendale's trading floor. It's March 11th. We did finish the grains higher today. Corn up 7 3/4 cents. Beans up 8 1/2, with wheat about 3 higher. So corn leading the way for most of the day. We did jump above the 715 level for May. We finally settled back down just above 711, but still a pretty decent close in corn. Beans stayed positive for most of the day as well. A little bit back and forth early in the session, but finishing about 8 1/2 higher. Now, even though the report came out maybe a little bit negative on beans on Friday, we did find a stronger move today. Guys are expecting to see exports stay here in the U.S. There's quite a backup yet in these ports down in Brazil, and still going to give us support on these beans on pullbacks. So a lot of guys talking about that and expecting China to come in here and continue to be buying from us. So that should be supportive on pullbacks as far as beans yet. We still have not gone up to that $15 level on beans in these nearby contracts. That's going to be some good resistance here at this point, so continue watching that. Now wheat, we did have a pretty negative report on wheat on Friday, but still at this point it is trading below corn. And going to find some support with that as this talk continues about using wheat for ethanol. But it's going to be a follower here at this point. So we'll see how that trades as well. But a strong move today for corn, and we'll see if it can find another day of that tomorrow. The dollar today giving back some of the gains that it had seen over the last few weeks, down about 12 cents. Crude oil dropping 12 cents today, putting crude oil right at 91.85, so still staying right near that $90 support level. But the stock market continuing to climb, up 56 points, S&P up about 5 points, so pretty strong as far as those markets. We'll see if that does continue. But as far as cattle, April cattle a little stronger today, up 67 cents, 128.22 right now for that April contract. Staying right around that 128.50. Now, we've seen that the cash trade there last week. Question's going to be, can we see this cash market firm up again this week? That's going to be something that's going to be watched very closely here. But box beef last week, extremely strong. Choice down 55 this morning. Select up 44, so kind of a mixed trade as far as box beef today. Hogs down 70 cents, 81.32. We did see a stronger week last week, trying to recover off some of these lows, but we gave a lot of that back here today. We're continuing to see sloppy cash markets, and still not a lot of upside momentum after we saw a good week last week. So be careful with that. We may be in for another week of this choppy trade, and before we get things to turn around. But the cash market's going to need to lead the way there as well, so keep an eye on that. But a lot of information thrown at you guys. Give us a call with any questions that you have. Feel free to reach us over here at 800-262-7538, or check us out on the web, allendale-inc.com. Have a great day. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Take care.